Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock turning bullish from bearish. Is that the thing? So let's talk about all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. Before going further, as always though, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So Tesla has been on a decline for quite some time over here. And technically multi-day weakness came on this thing at 449. Before actually talking all of that, I do want to emphasize that Tesla from last 2 months hasn't really made any significant runs. It has been mostly a sideways action, and in sideways action, you are taking profits in your swing and you can still do multi-day, but you are unable to build stronger swing positions, right? Because the stock is just going sideways. So you are mostly then sizing down your swing long position, taking profits on that from lower places when you built those positions, or at least if you are a member on my Patreon, we built the positions, you are aware about those. And then it's just better traded more like multi-day and day trade on the sideways action, right? So at this point, now the reason I mentioned that is because yes, Tesla has turned around right now from that weakness that started to come at 449 to 439 into the strength by giving us a daily candle close above that 410. That is a shifter. That is a trend shifter. That is a structure shifter. And that makes Tesla moving forward our bias towards the bullish side again. The weakness is gone. Okay, the bearish plays are complete, gone. 410 above is the bullish structure. That what I have been saying, if not here on my public channel, then on my Patreon. So so that's pretty much the thing. First of all, there is another important point I want to make, but that's first of all the thing. Above 410, we will be just remaining bullish. We will be just fine even through the pullback. If we lose 410, unfortunately, weakness is back again. If we close the day below 410, give it 405 to 410 because there's always liquidity grab after a break of structure, possibly. So you do have to give some leeway. All right. Now the reason one thing I want to mention is to be still cautious, and the reasons for that is don't overextend yourself because we are still quite up at the top. It's not that we are starting this structure at the bottom somewhere. Okay, so you have to be cautious that the extension may not come still. Yes, it's bullish trade. It can still build for day or multi-day, but remember, you are still trading this at a very high price. So don't overextend yourself in positions. Again, do whatever you want to do. But what I'm saying is my opinion, as it's not good to overextend yourself in positions. You can build small, add into it, hold on as long as structure holds bullish, but don't overextend yourself in a way that you risk too much, because there may be less upside and more downside if the things doesn't pan out, right? Because nothing is guaranteed in stock market. We have to have a risk tolerance, stop losses. That's what I'm saying, right? 405 to 410 in this case is our last line of tolerance for this bullish sentiment, because if we lose that, close below that, over again. And this is also why I'm saying, because this is not happening at a lower price that you are able to then digest all of that, because then your drawdowns will be also heavy, okay, if you go at higher prices with bigger positions as well, right? So anyways, that's just what I want to mention. Tesla right now is showing strength. A weekly interval is okay, I would say. It's not like right now I'm like jumping off the ground that, oh wow, it's super strong. It's a start is what I would say. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of news today on Tesla. Well, we have Tesla sued for allegedly infringing robotics patents, but it doesn't really matter. Price action is what we trade with. But Tesla was sued on Monday by Virginia company that accused Elon Musk electric vehicle maker of knowingly infringing 5 patents related to robotic systems for self-driving vehicles. In a complaint filed Alexandria, Virginia federal court, Perron Robotics said its founder Paul Perron developed a general-purpose robotics operating system whose application could be configured to individual robots and automated devices, addressing the once significant problem of needing specific hardware and software for each vehicle. Now, look, I can't say anything on this lawsuit, but sometimes, again, I'm just being a devil's advocate here. Okay, yes, sure, maybe someone did that in Tesla, but sometimes you have these patents that are so generalized that you don't even know that you are infringing on those. And then also, secondly, sometimes other companies just want to be in the news with another bigger company that look at that technology, we were the inventor of that, so that they, you know that's sometimes they can, you know get on that wagon and propagate their growth together with already a well established company. But anyways, I'm not saying that's the case, and I'm not even saying otherwise. I don't know anything about this case, but that's what the lawsuit is about. Okay, so and then we had a news, I don't know if it's reported over here, but Tesla FSD approval delayed in the Tesla in Europe, as the Dutch authority RTW clarified February 2026 is only for safety demonstration, not final approval. Anyways, the other ones we have is Elon said actually he is having in-house AI chips now, so that's also looking good. Then we did have a news somewhere, maybe not here, but somewhere else I read it, that the Tesla's China sales are lowest in last 3 years, but that news didn't really affect Tesla. Tesla is still going up, and that's why price action is so important, guys. Okay, it's not about the news, it's about the price action. It's about where the money is moving. Okay, news doesn't move the candles or the price action. The money moves the price action. Okay, anyways, that's all I had for you guys in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take it, bye.